So let's begin our class of Introduction to Finance, a brief introduction and basics. So first, let's talk about the time value of money. What is the time value of money? It's about money today. Money today is more valuable than money tomorrow. So what does that really mean? Think about it. Would you rather receive $100 today or $100 20 years from now? The answer is obviously $100 today. We'll show you mathematically why that is the case in future lectures. But for now, the answer is obvious. Would you rather receive $100 today? Yeah, I definitely would rather receive $100 today rather than $100 20 years from now. It's a very extreme example, but it's to prove a point. So why is that? Because you can earn interest on it, and that's what hopefully clicked in your mind, is because you can earn interest on it. So example, I can receive $100 today or $100 a year from now. How much is $100 worth a year from now if my bank offers an interest rate of 3%? So I put in $100 today. I let a year pass because I put it into the bank. Then a year from now, it'll be worth $103, $100 of my money, and then $3 of interest in 1 year. And that's why I'd rather have the money today, because I can invest it and earn interest on it. So with that being said, our next lecture is interest rate dynamics.